If you are from the city of Montego Bay, then it's a huge possibility that you may know this member of our community.
Montego Bay.
Regardless of the fact that Clive Murray is a mentally ill patient, he is still a member of our society.
Like you try to fight me, you know?
Me or you cannot deny the fact that Clive Murray is a very rude, mentally ill person.
I'm about to get up on the borderline. Big man kill everyone up on the
In his own concept of this world, Clive see Montego Bay as his kingdom and every passerby his loyal subject, especially women.
Every day, but me visa my pussy them up there. They love me like kung fu.
Where's that?
But me visa for them. But me really come see them like that.
Clive demands everybody attention with his regular antics. Some people find it quite entertaining, while others look on with disgust of his behavior, trying to touch every female passing by in a sexy manner. Even the blind man can see that Clive is often the victim of physical abuse.
One boy trap me in there. Same boy will broke me put and trap me in there.
You know who make them abuse us, alright?
Yeah.
Why?
So me get too much trouble.
Justin Blake, who is of sound mind and consciousness, does not find any justification in abusing anyone, especially the mentally ill.
Me no like your blood clot.
You out there, do you care? If you got a view, share in the comment section right there.
Alright, guess what?
Yeah.
We know you as dads from Rose Heights.
Yeah.
And more if you know this, you are always a member of this community and we love you.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Stop from going out and go trouble people.